Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, your go to podcast for improving your English in real life situations. I'm Lily, and today we're talking about hobbies, the fun things we do when we're not working or studying. Anna and Tom will share their favorite hobbies, tell us some personal stories, and use interesting words and phrases you can learn. After that, I'll explain the vocabulary. Let's dive in.
Hobbies really add color to life, don't they? I think having something you enjoy doing just for fun is so important. It helps me unwind after a stressful day and gives me something to look forward to. Lately, I've been really into painting with watercolors. I started during lockdown just to kill time, but now I absolutely love it. I usually paint landscapes, mountains, rivers, sunsets. It's a peaceful hobby and it really boosts my creativity. Even if my paintings aren't perfect, the process itself is very therapeutic. Another hobby I love is baking. Cookies, muffins, banana bread, you name it, I'll try it. I find following a recipe kind of like doing a fun science experiment. Last week, I baked a chocolate cake with orange zest, and it was a hit with my family. There's something so rewarding about creating something delicious from scratch. I also grow herbs and flowers on my balcony. I'm not exactly a green thumb, but I try. Seeing my little basil plant thrive is honestly such a simple joy. I also have lavender and mint, which smell amazing. And let's not forget reading. I'm a huge fan of historical fiction. Right now, I'm reading a novel set in Victorian London. It's like traveling back in time without leaving your couch. So, yeah, I guess I enjoy hobbies that are calm, creative, and a bit old fashioned. What about you, Tom? Are you more into active hobbies?
Totally. I do appreciate quiet hobbies, but I'm more of an outdoorsy person. I need to move around to stay happy. Every Saturday morning, I play five-a-side football with a group of friends. It's sweaty and chaotic, but it's also the best part of my week. We laugh, we compete, we complain about our sore muscles afterward. It's a great way to stay fit and blow off steam. I also go jogging in the evenings, especially after work. I put on my headphones, listen to music or a podcast, and just run through the park. It helps me clear my head and stay in shape. One of my new hobbies is playing the guitar. I'm still a beginner, so I sound a bit like a dying cat when I practice, but I've learned a few chords. I've even tried writing a song. It's hard, but when you finally get it right, it feels amazing. Oh, I recently joined a local photography group. We go on weekend walks and take pictures of interesting spots, old buildings, street art, or just random things with good lighting. It's made me see my city with fresh eyes. Who knew an alleyway could look so artistic? In my downtime, I also enjoy video games, especially ones with a good story. I don't play for hours and hours, but it's a fun way to chill after a long day. So, yeah, my hobbies keep me active and entertained. I think everyone should have at least one hobby that makes them forget about time.
That's true. Time really flies when you're doing something you love. I also think hobbies are great for mental health. They help you feel accomplished and reduce anxiety. And let's not forget, hobbies are a great way to connect with others. I joined an online art group and we share our work and give feedback. It's so inspiring to see other people's creations. I've also been thinking of trying something new this year, maybe ceramics or calligraphy. I've seen some amazing videos on Instagram and thought, hey, why not?
Go for it. I think trying new hobbies keeps life interesting. Even if you're not great at it right away, the key is to enjoy the process. Whether you're dancing, sketching, or even doing puzzles, hobbies give you a break from your everyday routine. And who knows? Sometimes a hobby can even turn into a side job.
Great conversation. Let's go over some useful words and phrases from today's episode. 1. Unwind to relax. 2. Therapeutic helps you feel calm and better emotionally. 3. From scratch, starting from basic ingredients. 4. Simple joy. A small thing that makes you very happy. 5. Green thumb. Someone good at growing plants. 6. Boost creativity. Increase your imagination or ideas. 7. Blow off steam. Release stress or anger. 8. Clear my head. Remove stress and think clearly. 9. Outdoorsy, someone who enjoys outdoor activities. 10. Five-a-side football, a small team version of soccer. 11. Chill to relax. 12. See something with fresh eyes. Look at something in a new way. 13. In your downtime. During free or relaxing time. 14. Calligraphy, beautiful, artistic handwriting. 15. Ceramics, making art or objects from clay. 16. Connect with others, build relationships with people. 17. Feel accomplished. Feel proud of achieving something. 18. Sketching, drawing quickly or roughly. 19. Mental health, your emotional and psychological well-being. 20. Side job, a small job or project in addition to your main job. Thanks for joining us on Everyday English Talk. What hobbies do you enjoy? Leave us a comment and practice using some of today's vocabulary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. See you next time.